spending, keeping that circulation, because the circulation of energy is what they're working with. It's nothing to do with nothing else. It's our energy, all right? That's why they're able to come in with crypto. All these things create different realms of reality. Crypto is its own realm, money is its own realm, cyber world is its own realm, NFTs is its own realm. Like, think about it. Each one of these realms, you have to learn about what's going on, the laws of it, to be able to exist within it. It's a realm of reality, especially if you want to maximize it to its highest potential, right? So it's the same thing with you. You are the conductor. So all these different things are like the tools that help you enrich your own life, like literally. Because now you understand how this game is played. So we playing with numbers and y'all playing with my numbers. How y'all playing with my energy? How is my energy being drawn into this system? All right? So we talked about the one, we talked about the zero. I'm gonna start with the zero. And we talked about the darkness, right? I talked about the feminine energy. Everything exists in stillness. Remember they said everything started first, God spoke. Let there be light, right? It's basically saying that everything started with a vibration. So since it started with a vibration, things had to be in stillness first. So you know how they say, what came first, the chicken or the egg type stuff, right? So it's like the darkness could not exist without the light. See, the light becomes a measurement of the darkness. So how would you know darkness if there was no light? So now polarities are born, right? This is why you have men, this is why you have women. Because we are different polarities based off of gender. Now there's something called the 7 Hermetic Principles, all right? It's the law of gender, the law of polarity, the law of all this mental, as above, so below, as within, so without. You got the law of correspondence. You have all these different things that deals with universal principles. Now these laws represent these universal principles, and these numbers are a reflection of those. So the zero deals with the energy of Neptune and Pluto, all right? Now this is dealing with, Pluto deals with death and rebirth. Now Pluto just came direct. So now what we're dealing with is, Pluto represents the ashes energy, rising from the ashes, right? It's the phoenix energy, okay? So Pluto is like death, rebirth. It also represents riches and moving things out of the way, bringing things into fruition. So we'll talk about that when we get more into the astrology as well.